So one of the common problems that I deal with when I'm talking to potential homeowners is with some of the pandemic things or just the natural course of things, people are working more and more from home. So what happens when you need two home offices, but yet, sometimes you have to think, what's that going to be like 5 years from now, or when I sell the home? What are the considerations that I'm going to look at? So we're sitting in a model home right now that has a pretty cool solution for this. So obviously we have this big, nice home office space. Now, if we get up and go through this way, there is a solution for this called a flex space. So right behind where that office was is this flexible space. Now, this could be easily set up to work as an office. In addition to that, this could easily be set up as a guest room. It has a closet, has a bathroom right off of it. You can set up these kinds of spaces so that instead of having a house with two offices, you have a house with an office and a flex space. These are some of the solutions that we like to produce. So what are the considerations to think about when you're looking at that? So for example, in the office we were in, that obviously you needed to have connections for your laptop to plug in or connections for internet, those kinds of things. In a flex space, it's more important to really think through what is that space going to be today? It's going to be an office, so we need to accommodate that, but then it could be like this is set up just like a teenage crash pad right now. It could be that later on down the road, you could be looking at a first floor guest suite. So now you're looking at what are your considerations for the bathroom. So all of these things play into it. Now the easiest way to kind of help walk through these things is to just pick up the phone, give me a call. It's Rich Shearrow, RealtyOhio Real Estate, 614-554-7705. Doesn't cost anything to talk.